The packet just around along. I know you're independent, you can make it on your own. Here with me at a home. Oh yeah. Cue snowy pavement in New York City, holding a bunch of signature accessories. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have something so special, and if you guys heard the singing in the beginning of the video, then you already have a little clue about what is about to happen in this unboxing. I am so excited, you guys. I know. I was supposed to be on Van Island. Well, I was on Van Island for a month, and then a boat came by and I decided to get off of Van Island because there was something that I just couldn't resist. So if you guys want to see what new luxury purchase has been stealing my heart and what has been added to my collection, please keep watching. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed, because we share all the things on this channel. Lots of luxury, lots of beauty, lots of lifestyle, basically everything I love and enjoy, and I would love for you guys to come hang with me. Just get in on all the fun. So in today's video, I'm sharing a very special unboxing. It is of a brand that I purchased one item from last year, but I did sell it. So I can confidently say I have not purchased and kept an item from this brand in probably 20 years. It has been that long. This is a brand that I think this was my first, or one of my first luxury pieces in my collection. A brand that I grew up seeing my mother, my grandmother, my aunts use, wear, and love, and I kind of fell out of love with it. But when I saw this piece, all the feelings, all the nostalgia, all the sweet nostalgia, and you all know that I live for a nostalgic moment. So if you don't know what Van Island is, it's kind of like, you're gonna lay down, good girl, or sit. So Van Island is a place that all the guys and gals go when they are banned from shopping. So this year I've been doing a lot of shopping because I really can't travel like I want to. So, you know, most of those funds have been used for luxury purchases. And so I told myself no more bags until December. And then I saw this. I don't know how it came onto my radar. I honestly think it was Google. Google was trying to tell me that I needed it. And when you guys see it, I think you're gonna fall in love. So I saw it, I put it in my cart. Then I started doing my research on YouTube because I love doing that. I wanted to see when the bag came out, everything about it. There are a few bags that are similar to this. I searched all about those bags and I kept it in my cart. I didn't pull the trigger because I wasn't quite sold on it. And then a few days later, I went back and it had gone on sale. That was my sign. I also chatted with one of my babes on Instagram and she loved it, and we always talk about all things bags related. So I had to pull the trigger. I purchased it, and what brand do you guys think it's from? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what brand you think this bag is from. I'm super excited. So I'll just tell you now, it's from Coach. I purchased one bag from the Coach outlet and then an accessory for the bag. So let's get into it. And I think when you guys see it, you're gonna know why I was singing, all my love is all I have. Pride is what you have, baby girl, I'm what you have. You'll be needing me, but too bad. Don't make decisions when you're mad. The package just right along. I know you're independent, you can make it on your own. Here with me at home. Yeah. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Now, I will say that I've never purchased from the Coach outlet online, and both items came in those really cheap paper padded mailers that if you tear them the wrong way, the nasty stuffing, like from the inside of your attic or something, comes out and gets everywhere. So Coach outlet, 2 out of 5 stars for shipping. The items made it to me extremely quickly, but I mean, you could have given me a box, I'm just saying. But nevertheless, let's get into this item. I'm so excited if you can't tell. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get into her. You're probably gonna know when I bring this up to show you, but let's get into it. So this is how it came. No box, but it is what it is. I got it for a great price. Now, I will not be using her until Christmas because I mean it. When you see her, you'll know why I'm gonna wait until Christmas. This is totally a Christmas bag. So without further ado, the new baby that I picked up is from the Jennifer Lopez and Coach collection. This is the Nolita 19, I believe, and I'm gonna take all the wrappings off of her because I'm not returning her. So one moment. So I was singing All I Have because I want to say, if my memory serves me correctly, I haven't seen the video in, I don't know what's it been, 10, 15 years, but I want to say there's a scene of J-Lo walking down the street in New York City with a bunch, with like a Coach duffel bag and the Coach demi. Like, does anyone remember the names of the old Coach styles? I do. Like, that's what I used to carry in high school. And I always remember that scene because I have been a lover of designer goods since I was probably 12. So when I saw this bag, I had to get it. So let me attach her. So this is the Coach Nolita 19. Let me give you guys a view around the bag. So this is a Shearling bag and it has brown leather on the bottom. I wasn't sure, is it brown? It might be black, I can't tell in this light. I have never truly been a fan of Shearling bags, but I will say that Chanel has one that I've wanted, but when I saw this, I ultimately thought of that scene of J-Lo, and the fact that this is a collaboration with J-Lo, it was so perfect. So the hardware is kind of like an aged antique gold. You have whatever type of clasp this is called, and you have a leather piece on the side with gold detailing on the zipper. And then you do have your signature Coach hang tag, and it actually says Coach X Jennifer Lopez. So, you know, besides the fact that this brought back all the nostalgia for me, which I'm totally here for, and I love J-Lo's music, this is also a collector's piece. And I have a sizable luxury handbag collection, so good girl, stay. Thank you. Mommy has to get this video up. So this is what the hang tag looks like, and this is a quality hang tag. It's pretty weighty. It's really, really nice. So let me give you a close-up. I mean, this bag is just so cute. So let me show you the inside. Coach zippers are always so smooth. It did come stuffed with some paper. I don't know if this has a dust bag. I guess we'll find out. Probably not. So this is the interior of the bag. It's a black canvas. You have a slip pocket on the back. You have your Coach X Jennifer Lopez tag on the back. Then you have some paperwork. So I purchased this bag for $125, which was a steal. It says that this originally cost around $250 and it's in the color Hazel Brown. I will include any information I can find down below because I think at the time of filming it's no longer available online. Now, I couldn't tell whether or not this is an actual piece that just made it to the outlet in terms of it's been for sale for a while. I don't think so because every unboxing or review, so to say, was from October, like 2021 right now. So I think this was made specifically for the outlet. I could be wrong. My apologies if I am. Definitely let me know down below. Also, the top zipper is not gold tone. It's black. I think this is black. So this is a little bag, you guys, and I did a little bit of research on the Coach website, and it looks like the Nolita 19 is Coach's version of, let's say, the Louis Vuitton mini pochette, and I'll insert a picture of that on the screen. I actually have one. Let me get it. So here's my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. I'll put the dimensions of this one across the screen, and this is the Coach Nolita 19. So the Coach one is definitely bigger, it's longer, it's wider, it's just larger overall. This I use as an interior pouch in my larger handbags, or let's say I'm gonna run into the bank or something like that and I don't wanna bring a larger handbag. That's how I use this. But this is actually a sizable bag. So I plan to carry this as a bag and not just a pouch that will go into a larger bag. So I purchased an attachment for it, but I'll show you that in a moment. I'm really happy with this purchase. Now, I did see some ladies and gentlemen remark about how the Coach signature style is actually stamped on the Shearling So there are some inconsistencies, not so much on this side. Let me turn it around. Well, mine's okay, but if you can see over here, like it's not as dark as this C is. That doesn't really bother me because I purchased this bag to wear in the winter time. The winter time only. I see myself wearing this with a black turtleneck, black skinny jeans and black boots and a red lip, maybe a little fur headband. I pictured myself wearing this specifically in the winter time or in the fall time at night, going to dinner, date night, what have you, but just being a small dainty bag. But it's just so fun, you guys. And the fact that I got it for $125, like you can't beat that. So I'm not sure if they're still available on the website. If they are, I will link it down below, but definitely check the pre-owned websites because people will definitely be selling these because this went on sale for $125. Like, that's a steal. So I will be keeping this bag, but I will definitely be waiting until Christmas to use it. But how fun is this? Like so cute. So the second piece that I purchased from the Coach outlet, and I will actually let you know the name of this piece. It's a strap. So this is the chain strap in gold, and I'll put the item number down below because this is probably still available for purchase, and I'll link it if I can find it. So I thought, how cute would it be not only to carry it handheld, but let's say I end up going to Aspen for Christmas, to Vail somewhere, even like upstate New York, the Catskills. I might want to take this bag casually around town. I wouldn't want to carry it handheld just because it is so delicate. So I purchased this cute little chain from Coach and it was $20. One thing I'm seeing already off the bat is that these Coach pieces are very nice in terms of quality. I can already tell that this is heavy. It's weighted really nicely. This is not a cheap chain. Like I said, I haven't purchased Coach in well over 20 years. And when I was purchased, well, I'll be honest, Coach was being purchased for me. So, you know, when I was a child, I wasn't thinking about the quality of my bags. I was just thinking, oh, it's cute. But this is actually a really nicely weighted chain. It's really nice. It's not too heavy, but it's not thin and it doesn't feel cheap. So let me attach it to the bag. I'm just going to loop it around the D-rings, if you will. Hopefully it fits. Oh, it does. Perfect. Now, one thing I am noticing is that this gold is a little lighter than the antique gold on the bag, and I'll show you guys that up close. So this is the chain that comes with the bag, and this is the detachable strap. They're not the same color gold, but I don't mind. And now I have a crossbody bag. There's also another gold hang tag. So yeah, let me stand up and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so I am 5'5 3/4", almost 5'6", and right now I'm a US size 16. This is, you know, what I look like. So let me show you what the bag looks like with the strap. So this is where the bag falls on me. Definitely not tall, but I'm not short either. But the great thing is that even if this chain isn't long enough for you, you can buy your own chain from wherever. But I think this just makes this piece so much more versatile. Like I said, I can wear this if I go on vacation to Vail or the Catskills. It just makes this a more wearable everyday piece. I really do like this, and I probably would wear it crossbody with this strap. You can absolutely wear it on your shoulder, but this is a little too long for me. Yeah, it feels awkward, especially having it be so small. So I probably wouldn't carry it on my shoulder, but this is what it would look like. And let me take this chain off so you guys can see what the pouch looks like against my body worn correctly. I would probably carry it to dinner, just handheld. I think this looks nice. A nice little casual yet elevated piece. You could wear it over your wrist like that, but I would more than likely end up wearing it like this just because valet, doing all the things, making sure you have your mask, your hand sanitizer. This just feels most comfortable, and this is how it falls on me. yeah, I really love this piece. She's so cute. Okay, guys, so that is my unboxing and my first impression of the Coach times Jennifer Lopez Nolita 19. Let me know if you guys would like a review down the line. I'm so happy that I purchased this additional chain strap because honestly, I don't own any additional straps. This just made this piece so much more versatile. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.